What is human development? What is human development? Yes. What is human development? Yeah. Bata, what is human development? Simply, when you develop human as an individual, okay? How do you develop human as an individual? You provide them with choices. You make them from beggars to choosers. Okay? When you are from beggars to choosers, it is development. When you are choosers to beggars, it is not development. It is rather than reverse development. Okay? When I got posted in a very wrong place, in a very wrong organization, I went to my boss. Okay? I told my boss, please change my place of posting. First, change my department. If not department, change my place of posting. His answer was, beggars cannot be choosers. I cursed myself for giving the exam at all. Why did I give exam when I was supposed to become a beggar? Okay. But the matter of fact is, when you qualify civil services, you will yourself realize that you have cut your arms and limbs. Okay. You have cut your choices. You want to speak on an issue, but you cannot speak on an issue because you are a civil servant. Because you are a civil servant. Okay. What I found in civil services is that we are just like bonded laborers. Okay. Who are working for government. Who are working for government. And these politicians, if you get a wrong boss on the top, you have studied day and night to crack IAS. He has lied day and night to become a politician. Okay. And what he got instead of those lies is he became your boss. You have read economy, polity, geography, you know everything about the world. You can easily tell him in Gaza how many people, how many cities, how many areas. You may tell the Palestinian and these Israel conflict. You can tell everything. He will just go and give a statement which will blow your mind out because that will be totally against what you have read in the book. You get the point? He will tell you that these agricultural reforms are very, very big reforms. He'll say, sir, MSP has gone to astray. Okay, because I have read in agriculture, MSP was the biggest thing. Because of this agriculture reform, we have made things difficult for farmers. He'll say, who is the boss? You or me? You have to say, sir, respectfully, I beg to say. That is where you become a beggar. That is where he told me that beggars cannot be choosers. Okay, so after becoming civil service servant, I realized my development process has stopped and de-development process has started. Get the point? Okay, but after all, it is a biggest service. Okay, when you get a wrong boss at the top, what may pacify you more is that he is today, he may not be tomorrow. You are today, you'll be tomorrow, you'll be day after tomorrow, you'll be every day if life permits you till your retirement. Okay, and today you are under secretary, tomorrow you will be deputy secretary, day after tomorrow additional secretary, day after tomorrow special secretary, then commissioner secretary, then principal secretary, and if you have qualified IAS at a smaller age, you may be a cabinet secretary. You may be a cabinet secretary in center. Chief secretary is in the state. Okay. You may be a chief secretary in some state. This is the thing which must pacify you. Okay. So coming back to human development. When you widen people's choices, this is human development. Simple. It is a process of widening of humans' choices. It is the process of improving the well-being of human as an entity. Get the point? So you may write, it is enhancing the well-being of, enhancing human well-being. Enhancing human well-being. It is the process of enhancing human well-being. Enhancing the process of human well-being. Okay? Enhancing human well-being. Clear? UNDP has also given a definition of this also. What is the definition given by UNDP? According to UNDP, human development is the process of widening people's choices. It is the process of widening people's choices. It is the process of widening people's choices, as well as raising the level of well-being achieved, as well as raising the level of well-being achieved, as well as raising the level of well-being achieved, level of well-being achieved. Enhancing human well-being. Same thing in economic development also. So how is it different from economic development? Only the perspective. Economic development talks about raising the well-being of whole people economy, people of the whole economy. Human development talks about human as an entity, human as a social being, or human as a being, existing being, and you are trying to enhance his welfare. Okay, so it is basically the economic development of one entity, that is human, and economic development is all the humans within the economy, enhancing their well-being. Okay, so you may write also, it is different from economic development in terms of perspective. It is different from economic development in terms of perspective. It is different from economic development in terms of perspective. In terms of perspective. Okay. You may write, people's well-being is human development. Next point, enhancing people's well-being is enhancing people's well-being is human development. Enhancing people's well-being is human development. Enhancing people's well-being is human development. Whereas enhancing people well-being is human development. Whereas human development in a particular region is economic development. Human development in a particular region, whereas human development in a particular region or in an economy, in a particular region or in an economy is economic development. Is economic development. Is economic development. Is economic development. I hope it is clear. Any doubt in this? Okay. Next concept you may write, human resource development. Human development. Human resource development. Human resource development. Human development. Human resource development. What is human resource development? What is human resource development? Development, please understand, development of a human as a resource, considering human as a productive being and developing him as a productive being, means it talks about skill development of humans so that he can participate more in the production process. Because for production you require resources, raw material one resource, money one resource, infrastructure one resource, human, manpower, labor force another resource. Get the point? So human resource development means enhancing the productive potentials of human, developing human as an economic being, as a resource for the productivity in the economy. Clear? So you may write human resource development. It refers to the process of enhancing productive potential. It refers to a process of enhancing productive potential of human. Productive potential of human beings. It refers to the process of enhancing productive potential of human beings. Productive potential of human beings. It refers to the process of enhancing productive potential of human beings. Clear? Productive potential of human beings. Okay. Or productive capacity. Enhancing productive capacity. Productive capacity. Clear? Any doubt in this? Now see. Enhancing productive potential of human beings. How can you enhance productive potential of human beings? How can you make human beings more productive? By enhancing their skill, by enhancing their knowledge, by imparting Training. Okay. By giving them vocational courses, etc. It means by spending money on them, yes or no? By spending money on them. Spending money on human resource is called investment. Spending money on anything to get benefits in future is called investment. The other name of investment is capital formation. The other name of investment is capital formation. Investment is also called capital formation. How, why? I'll tell you very shortly in another chapter. Okay. So investment का दूसरा नाम, another name, economic terms में investment को क्या बोलते हैं? Capital formation. Forming the capital. Capital means something which has productive capacity. So humans को as a productive unit आप develop कर रहे हो, तो it is, you are developing humans as productive unit. It means it is capital formation. So can I say human resource development? The name of human resource, other name of human resource development is human capital formation. Yes or no? Very easily. Very, very easily. Okay, human capital formation. Human capital formation. So it is human resource development means human capital formation. Okay, a brief deviation from the concept, smaller deviation but very important.